Oh. So I'm experimenting. Right, here is the Panther Jet. This was the prototype. Obviously, I've taken the ducted fan out. I put a 800 milliamp hour battery in the front, and I'm going to try it as a pure slope soarer using the Kline fogleman KFM2. Let's see how she goes. Oh, nicely away. A little bit sensitive on the elevator. Which would indicate that we've either got an RC of G, well, this is the same issue we had with the ducted fan, wasn't it? It seems to be hooning around the sky, alright, but yes, it's the pitch is an issue. Oh. So I'm experimenting. Right, so that crash was a flat RX battery. Now, I put 10 grams in the nose. And I don't appear to have the pitch stability problem. Right, so I think the C of G was too far aft, possibly even too far aft when we had it as a jet. The ailerons are pathetic. So I've got it on maximum throws now. Look, let me just build a bit of speed. Very slow roll.